Hello, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about how to install Anaconda in MacBook Pro M1. So if you are looking for how to install Anaconda in Windows, then I have a separate video for that and I have posted the link in the description below. So to install Anaconda in MacBook Pro, first you need to open browser and let's search Anaconda download in Google search. And I'll click on the first link, which is anaconda.com, and I'll click on the download button and it will download the Anaconda distribution for macOS, and Python version will be 3.9. The file size is 688 MB, so it will take some time. Until then, I'll pause my video and I'll come back when the download is finished. So the Anaconda is downloaded and I will start installation by clicking on this file. So this says this package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. I'll click on allow, and same thing, so I'll click on allow. Now it will start installing the Anaconda. So in this wizard I'll click continue, and this is the readme. So the default location of the installation is going to be opt and Anaconda 3, and these are the packages it is going to install. So I'll click on continue, and this is the end user license agreement, and if you want you can read it, and I'll click on continue and you have to agree it. So I click on agree, and I am going to install only for me and click on continue, and I am going to install in the default location that it already mentioned, that opt and Anaconda 3. So I'll click on install. So it says installer wants to access to control system UI server, so I'm going to allow it. I'll click on OK. As I already have installed Anaconda 3, so it says I already have Anaconda 3 installed, I can have update, but those who don't have Anaconda, they can simply wait and the installation will be done. The process is very straightforward. We don't have to change anything, we just have to click on continue and the installation will be done. So for me the installation is failed because the Anaconda is already installed in my system. So I'll close it and I'll move the file to the bin. So to open Anaconda, I'll click on the launchpad. So I have this Anaconda navigator. I'll click on Anaconda navigator, and here in this navigator we'll have lot of different IDs like PyCharm community notebook. This is actually Jupyter notebook, and in throughout this Python series we are going to use this Jupyter notebook. We have Spider as well, but for now let's check Jupyter notebook. So Jupyter notebook is launched. I will go to the code folder and then inside the tutorial folder, let's create a new file and let's check the Python version. So if you are curious how I executed the code, I pressed shift and return to execute the code. There is another way to execute the code, that is we can click on this run button. It will also execute the code, and let's print hello. Okay, so everything is working fine. So we have our ID installed, and thanks for watching.